Hi everyone, tonight with the quick tip and trick, I will show you how to make a pocket out of your tube by using the safety line, the black yarn, and then I will show you how to do it. You have to put your work flat like this, and with some yarn you will go one side grabbing 2 stitches in the middle and 2 from the other one, and it will give you like an invisible sewing. And when you finish it, you will pull on the yarn and will give a very professional look. So I go grab 2 in the other side and come back to the left. Make sure you follow always the same line. That's why you have the safety line installed like this, and come back to the other side. Oh, I have some hair in it. Some of my DNA is on all my project. Sorry for that. I didn't say it, but I didn't do any pocket like tube of extra. I just fold the end of the tube that I already have, and turns out to be 20 to 25 centimeter. So now I'm sewing it like this. I take my time, and don't worry, because of the stitches are loose, I'm gonna fix it after by pulling on both sides of the yarn. Almost to the end. Pull on it. I will show you. Just pull on your yarn and it put all the stitches together and do an invisible seam. Look very professional when you do that. Your friend or family will be amazed. So you continue. When you arrive to your plastic guide, just remove it carefully. Put that aside and keep going. Follow the line. Arrive here. It's time to close it. Sorry, I will not be in the right place, so you could not see the double knot, but you could see it on the next pocket, so don't worry. Or maybe you already know how to do it, so it's not a trouble. So I hide the tail of the yarn in the middle of the pocket between the 2 layers like this. Time to remove my black yarn. Oh no, I will hide the tail first. I do a double knot, put it tight, and hide it between the 2 layers like I did on the top of the pocket. Now it's time to remove the black needle. If you don't divide it with your tip of your needle, it will be easy to remove. If you don't, like I did on this side, it's gonna be a little bit harder. So I have to cut the black yarn, pull on it, doesn't want to come. So that's it. I just cut it, pull on it, and because it's an invisible seam, I don't see the black yarn. So I'm not gonna get myself frustrated with that. I will just continue my video, and almost done already. So now it's time to do the tassel.